Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in. We have this little box here, and this is a 16-piece lip wardrobe. I'll turn it around here and give you a little sneak peek at the little card. And this is the Created for Macy's line. I love buying this kind of stuff for Macy's because it is generally a really good bargain. If you ask me, I do like Macy's. Not everybody does, but I do. But if you just put in Created for Macy's, all their products pop up. This is called 16-piece lip Blockbuster set, Created for Macy's. $24.75 was the price. And a nice, gold box. You could keep it and reuse it. I don't know how this opens. Let's see. Oh, okay. So here you can see the first set of products. And this is, I am a lip junkie. Oh, nice. Wow, I don't know if I can hold that up like that. I'm going to try. I definitely will get a picture. Oops, don't close. So you can see all of there's, I think, 12 lipsticks and 4 lip, glosses type thing right here. I'm thinking this is right up my alley. Let's kind of close this up a little bit so that I'm not, this is a nice, velvet lined box. You could reuse it, store your lip products in it. I do have some makeup wipes. I probably will swatch a few things. I'll get my phone out of the way. I don't need this. And let's just see what is in the box. These are nice little tubes. I mean, they're lightweight. It does say Created for Macy's on it. And let's just see what we have. So I'll show you the amount of product. So you get a good amount of product. And I'm just going to swatch each one to see. I mean, that's like a pinky mauve lipstick. Hopefully you guys are seeing that. That's pretty. I will definitely use that. I mean, there might be some that I won't touch at all and share them. So we have another tube. Oh, there are not names on, but there's a little, lip. Can't do that. It's Instagram. So here's another one. Yeah, full tube. No more, no less than you get elsewhere. And I'll do the next one right next to it. Similar in color. Let me just put this back and then I'll show it to you. I'm getting fingerprints everywhere, which I like. So it's this one was the second one. First one, second one. Pretty similar, a little bit more pink. And then I don't know if that is a true depiction, but we'll see. So here's the next one. Once again, full tube. I'll swatch. And these are very nice. This one, I don't know what undertone that would be. Here's the third one. A little bit more, the pinks are starting to grow. So maybe this whole row is a bunch of pinks. I don't know. I love product like that. I gotta get you open. Okay, so this one seems much lighter. So here's the full tube. I'll bring it down and swatch. This is definitely a lighter pink. Yeah. So it's darker or light. I'm happy for that. I am, like I said, a lip junkie. So this one's a little bit more pink. So it just, that's the first 4. Now, how did I say this opened? Oh, this way. So then I'm going to take these off so that we're not confusing colors here. And they come off very nice. Not staining my hand in any way. Well, that's good. Dry your hand off. These types of tubes, your fingerprints get everywhere. So is this more, let me see. I want that to rest. I think these tones are more like this shade. So we're getting more into the reds. Now, I'm not going to swatch these because I'm not going to keep them. I can share these. But that's that. So, I'm not going to swatch every one of them because if I don't plan on using it, why would I do that? Then I'm stuck keeping it. So, a little bit different tone. I mean, that one was a little red. That one seems a little bit more mauve. Ooh, to keep them up that high. Yeah, see, now this one is a little bit more pinky than the true red, so I will keep that one. So far one that I won't keep. Let's see, I think the next row has, and this one seems like a little bit more orange, which I don't mind because you can mix them. Oh no, that's a little too bright for me. I won't touch that. That one's just a little too much. So there's two that I'll share, which I don't mind. And then this one, this is what the bottom sticker looks like. Let's see. And this is more of like a deeper, maybe like a little bit more burgundy. Let me see. Okay, I could wear that. Still has some red in it, but not like bright red. So that's not bad. I figured if I liked half of them, that's still affordable. I mean, lipsticks are not cheap by any means. And then this next row, I think we're into like some more reds. Yes. So I won't touch that. I won't wear that. That's, could, because that's a little bit darker, but I can share some of these. I don't need to keep them all. I mean, for the price, you couldn't beat it. So here's that shade. See, now this one's more of a pinky red, so I think I can wear that. Oh yeah, I could wear that. That one's right there, the last one. Nice. So it just seems like the bright reds I know are not for me. And this one seems a little bit darker, and I don't mind if they're dark. So that is that shade right there. That looks nice. Let's see what I can, maybe I'll come across the top. Oh, that's pretty. I mean, it's definitely like burgundy red. I just swatched that across my arm there. That's pretty. That could be good for, like, you know, the holidays, because I don't like a bright red, but I could wear something deep like that. And then that is a little indicator there. Hopefully that's focusing. Oh, this one's a little too dark. I won't keep that. So, you know, what is that, 3 or 4 so far? That's, I don't think that's horrendous. Let me wipe these off. Reds will leave a little bit more pigment behind, but on my lip I don't care, and my hand will get red from all the wiping. So it's 4/8/12, so that's the lipsticks, and then we have the glosses. So here's the glosses. So these are not, I would say the lipsticks are full size. These probably are not. I won't swatch that one because I can share that with some of the reds. Here's a pretty shade. Let's see what we got here. And that for gloss, that's not bad right there. Pretty. What I'm going to do is a lot of my liquid lips, I'm going to go through and declutter. Notice I'm not pulling for them, so why am I keeping them? I'm going to, well, that's more of a brown. But that would look nice on top of some shades right there, or on its own, because there is some pigment to these. These are not lightly pigmented. Here's the last one. That's more, looks like it has some shimmer, more shimmer in it than the others. More of a lighter, yeah, more of a clear that will just probably just give slight color to be worn with lipstick, whereas the others look like they could be worn alone. So that's not bad. That's a cute little set. If you know somebody that loves lip products, I'm just trying to close this up, that loves lip products for the price, you can't beat it. Now, how does that open again? I'm trying to figure out where the top is again. I lost how to open it. Oh, this way. So yeah, have a cute little box. This would make a great gift for $24 something. Is that what I said? I of course can't remember. $24.75. I will look and see if this little 16-piece lip wardrobe is still available on Macy's and let you know, but always check their Created for Macy site. Great product. I'm happy to have it, and I have some there to share, so that's always a good thing. I knew some of them I would not wear just because I am not a red wearer of lipstick, but I'm excited to have all them. Like I said, I'm going to go through all of my liquid lips. I think there's like 5 or 6 that I'm going to keep that I do use, and all the other ones I'm going to declutter. I'm just going to throw them away. Some have maybe been in there a little bit, and if I'm not using them and I have used all of them, I'm just going to toss them and start putting the glosses that I want, and maybe some tubes of like my lip crowns and things like that in that drawer, and just keep all the lipstick tubes behind me in these, so that I can open a drawer and say, okay, I want to wear one of these. And they're trying to keep the tubes, like the bullet tubes, behind me and everything else over there, or vice versa, you know, however it works out. But let me know your thoughts on this. I'm excited for this, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye now.